There comes a moment in every woman's life when she realizes something powerful. The goal is not to become the woman a man chooses. The goal is to become the woman he cannot replace. A lot of people spend their lives trying to be enough for someone else. They change how they talk. They change how they dress. They hide their opinions. They silence their dreams. They bend and shrink themselves, hoping that if they become exactly what someone wants, they'll finally be loved the way they deserve. But that's not how real value works. The women who leave a lasting impact aren't the ones who try the hardest to be chosen. They're the ones who know their worth before anyone else recognizes it. See, anybody can find attention. Attention is everywhere. But respect comes when you carry yourself with confidence, standards, and self-respect. When a woman knows who she is, she walks differently. She doesn't chase validation. She doesn't beg for consistency. She doesn't spend sleepless nights trying to convince someone to see her value. She already sees it, and that changes everything. The truth is, people remember how you made them feel. They remember the woman who brought peace instead of drama. They remember the woman who had dreams, purpose, and direction. They remember the woman who respected herself enough to walk away from what didn't honor her. You become unforgettable when your life becomes bigger than your relationship status. Think about it. The woman who is focused on her growth, her goals, her health, her happiness, and her future creates a presence that cannot be duplicated, because another person can copy your hairstyle. They can copy your clothes. They can even copy your words. But they cannot copy your character. They cannot copy your strength. They cannot copy the way you carry yourself after you fought battles nobody knows about and still found a reason to smile. That's what makes a woman irreplaceable. Not perfection, not beauty alone, not constant availability. It's the combination of confidence, self-respect, emotional maturity, and purpose. When you stop trying to become someone's option and start becoming your own priority, something incredible happens. People begin to recognize your value. The energy shifts, the standards rise, and suddenly you're no longer asking whether someone will stay. They're wondering if they can keep up with you, because the woman who knows her worth doesn't need to compete. She doesn't need to prove herself. She simply becomes the kind of woman whose absence speaks louder than her presence ever had. Most women spend years looking for proof of their value in the wrong places. They look for it in text messages that arrive late at night. They look for it in compliments. They look for it in attention. They look for it in how often someone calls, how quickly someone responds, or how much effort someone seems willing to give. The problem is that when your value depends on another person's behavior, your confidence rises and falls every single day. One good morning text makes you feel special. One ignored message makes you question everything. That is an exhausting way to live. A woman becomes powerful the moment she understands that her worth is not something another person gives her. It is something she already possesses. Too many women walk into relationships hoping someone will finally show them what they're worth. They secretly believe that if the right person chooses them, then all their doubts will disappear. But confidence doesn't work that way. If you don't see your value before the relationship, you'll struggle to see it inside the relationship too. You'll overthink simple situations. You'll tolerate behavior you shouldn't tolerate. You'll make excuses for people who consistently disappoint you. You'll stay longer than you should because part of you fears that losing them means losing your value. It never does. The truth is that valuable women are not valuable because someone loves them. They are valuable because they know who they are. They know what they bring into people's lives. They know the kindness they offer. They know the loyalty they give. They know the sacrifices they've made. They know the battles they've survived. They know how much strength it took to keep moving forward when life was difficult. That awareness creates a different kind of confidence, not arrogance, not pride, just quiet certainty. The kind that doesn't need constant reassurance, the kind that doesn't panic every time someone pulls away, the kind that doesn't beg for attention, because it understands attention is not the same thing as respect. When a woman truly recognizes her value, she stops chasing people who are unsure about her. She stops trying to convince someone to stay. She stops shrinking herself to make others comfortable. She stops pretending she doesn't care when something hurts. She stops accepting the bare minimum while calling it love, because deep down she understands something important. People treat you according to what you believe you deserve. If you constantly settle for less, many people will gladly offer less. If you constantly forgive disrespect without accountability, many people will continue disrespecting you. If you constantly sacrifice your happiness just to keep someone around, some people will learn that your boundaries can be ignored. Knowing your value changes that. You begin speaking differently. You begin making decisions differently. You begin protecting your peace differently. You stop viewing yourself through the eyes of others. You stop measuring your worth by someone's ability to recognize it. Because not everyone will. Some people will overlook you. Some people will misunderstand you. Some people will fail to appreciate everything you bring to the table. That doesn't reduce your value. A diamond doesn't become less valuable because someone mistakes it for a stone. And you don't become less valuable because someone failed to recognize what was standing right in front of them. The strongest women understand that rejection is not always a reflection of their worth. Sometimes it's simply a reflection of another person's limitations. That's why they don't spend months trying to prove themselves. They don't spend years waiting for validation. They don't abandon themselves in order to gain acceptance. They know their value before anyone else does. And because they know it, they carry themselves with a confidence that cannot be borrowed, purchased, copied, or taken away. One of the biggest mistakes many women make is allowing their entire world to revolve around a relationship. They start out with dreams, goals, hobbies, friendships, and ambitions. Then little by little, without even realizing it, everything begins to center around one person. His texts determine their mood. His attention determines their happiness. His presence determines their sense of security. And when that happens, something dangerous begins to grow. Dependence, not love, not connection. Dependence. A woman becomes truly unforgettable when she builds a life that exists beyond any relationship. A life filled with purpose. A life that excites her even when nobody is watching. A life that continues moving forward whether someone stays or leaves. There is something incredibly attractive about a woman who wakes up every morning with her own mission. She has goals she's working towards, skills she's developing, dreams she's chasing, challenges she's overcoming. Her life has movement. Her life has direction. She isn't sitting around waiting for someone else to become the center of her universe. She is busy creating a universe of her own. That kind of energy changes everything. People can feel it. When a woman has purpose, she carries herself differently. She speaks with more confidence. She makes decisions with more clarity. She doesn't cling to people because she knows her happiness doesn't depend on them. She enjoys love without making it her entire identity. Many women fear that focusing on themselves will somehow push love away. The opposite is usually true. People are naturally drawn to individuals who have passion and purpose because purpose creates confidence. Purpose creates fulfillment. Purpose creates emotional stability. When your life is empty, every small problem inside a relationship feels enormous. A delayed text becomes a crisis. A disagreement becomes a disaster. A little distance feels unbearable. But when your life is full of meaningful things, you stop obsessing over every little detail. You have other things demanding your attention. You have goals that matter. You have responsibilities that inspire you. You have reasons to get out of bed that have nothing to do with another person. That's healthy, that's powerful, and it's necessary. Some women secretly believe that proving their love means sacrificing everything for someone else. Their time, their interests, their friendships, their dreams, their identity. But real love should never require you to disappear. The right relationship should complement your life, not consume it. It should support your growth, not replace it. It should encourage your dreams, not bury them. The woman who becomes irreplaceable understands this. She keeps growing, she keeps learning, she keeps becoming, even while she loves deeply, even while she gives generously, even while she builds a connection with someone. She never abandons herself because she understands a painful truth many people learn too late. If you lose yourself trying to keep someone, you eventually lose both. You lose the relationship you wanted, and you lose the person you used to be. That's why purpose matters so much. Purpose protects your identity. Purpose protects your confidence. Purpose protects your emotional well-being. When life throws challenges your way, purpose gives you something solid to stand on. When relationships experience difficulties, purpose reminds you that your entire future is not tied to one situation. A woman with direction doesn't panic every time circumstances change. She adjusts, she grows, she keeps moving because her life is bigger than one chapter. Her happiness is bigger than one person. Her future is bigger than one relationship. And that quiet independence creates a presence that people never forget. Not because she's trying to impress anyone, not because she's playing games, but because she has built a life so meaningful, so purposeful, and so fulfilling that anyone who becomes part of it understands they are joining something valuable, something rare, something already whole. A woman teaches people how to treat her long before she ever says a word about respect. She teaches it through what she accepts. She teaches it through what she tolerates. She teaches it through what she repeatedly forgives. And she teaches it through the standards she refuses to compromise. Many women struggle with this because they fear that having standards will push people away. They worry that speaking up will make them seem difficult. They worry that setting boundaries will make them seem demanding. They worry that expecting consistency will scare someone off. But the truth is, standards don't push away the right people. They reveal the wrong ones. Anyone can stay when everything is easy. Anyone can stay when there are no expectations. Anyone can stay when they are allowed to do whatever they want without accountability. Character is revealed when standards exist. That's when people show you who they really are. A woman who lacks standards often finds herself constantly disappointed, not because she keeps meeting bad people, but because she keeps accepting behavior that should never have been accepted in the first place. She ignores red flags. She makes excuses. She tells herself things will change. She gives chance after chance after chance. Meanwhile, her self-respect slowly begins to disappear. Not all at once. Little by little, every time she stays silent when something bothers her. Every time she accepts less than she deserves. Every time she lowers her expectations just to keep someone around. It hurts, because deep inside she knows she is betraying herself. There's a unique kind of pain that comes from abandoning your own standards. The outside world may not see it. Other people may not notice it. But you feel it every day. You feel it when you're lying awake at night, trying to justify behavior that you know isn't right. You feel it when you're constantly hoping someone will become the person they promised to be. You feel it when you're settling for potential instead of reality. A woman who knows her worth understands that standards are not punishments. They are protections. They protect her peace. They protect her emotional health. They protect her future. Standards are not about controlling others. They're about deciding what has access to your life. Because not everyone deserves unlimited access. Not everyone deserves endless chances. Not everyone deserves your energy, your time, your attention, and your heart. Those things are valuable, and valuable things should be treated with care. One of the strongest things a woman can do is remain firm when someone tests her boundaries. Not with anger, not with revenge, not with drama, just firmness, calm confidence, the ability to say, this is what I require and this is what I will not accept. That level of self-respect changes everything. People begin to understand that your kindness should not be mistaken for weakness. Your patience should not be mistaken for permission. Your love should not be mistaken for unlimited tolerance. The reality is that some people only respect boundaries after they realize those boundaries are real. When they see consequences, when they see consistency, when they realize your standards are not temporary emotions but permanent values. That doesn't mean everyone will stay. Some people will leave. Some people will complain. Some people will accuse you of changing. But often what they're really upset about is that they no longer have access to the version of you that accepted less. The woman who becomes unforgettable is not the woman who says yes to everything. She is the woman who respects herself enough to say no when necessary. She understands that love without respect eventually becomes painful. Attention without effort eventually becomes empty. Promises without action eventually become meaningless. And because she understands that, she protects her standards with courage, consistency, self-respect, and the quiet confidence of someone who knows exactly what she deserves and refuses to negotiate it for temporary affection, temporary comfort, or temporary companionship. One of the most attractive qualities a woman can possess is emotional strength. Not because it makes her cold, not because it makes her distant, but because it allows her to remain grounded when life becomes difficult. Anyone can stay calm when everything is going well. Anyone can smile when they were getting exactly what they want. Anyone can feel confident when they are constantly receiving attention and reassurance. The real test comes when things don't go according to plan. The real test comes when someone disappoints you, when a relationship becomes uncertain, when your feelings are hurt, when expectations are not met, when silence replaces communication. Those moments reveal emotional strength. Many women have been taught that reacting immediately is the same thing as being strong, saying whatever comes to mind, sending the emotional text, making the phone call, demanding answers right away. But emotional strength often looks very different. Sometimes strength is staying silent long enough to think clearly. Sometimes strength is refusing to let temporary emotions make permanent decisions. Sometimes strength is choosing dignity over reaction. That isn't easy, especially when you're hurt, especially when your heart feels heavy, especially when someone you care about makes you feel confused, ignored, or unappreciated. Those moments can bring out fear. Fear of losing someone, fear of being abandoned, fear of not being enough. And fear has a way of convincing people to act against their own best interests. Fear makes people chase. Fear makes people beg. Fear makes people settle. Fear makes people sacrifice their self-respect just to avoid